Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 professional sentences for speaking English at a hotel. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First sentence is, can I book a room for tonight? Can I book a room for tonight? Second sentence is, do you have any rooms available? Do you have any rooms available? Third sentence is, how much does a room cost per night? How much does a room cost per night? Fourth sentence is, can I see the room before I book it? Can I see the room before I book it? Fifth sentence is, does the room come with a bathroom? Does the room come with a bathroom? Sixth sentence is breakfast included in the room rate? Is breakfast included in the room rate? Seventh sentence is, what time is breakfast served? What time is breakfast served? Eighth sentence is there a restaurant in the hotel? Is there a restaurant in the hotel? Ninth sentence is, what time does the restaurant close? What time does the restaurant close? 10th sentence is, can I order room service? Can I order room service? 11th sentence is there a bar in the hotel? Is there a bar in the hotel? 12th sentence is, what time does the bar close? What time does the bar close? 13th sentence is, can I use the hotel gym? Can I use the hotel gym? 14th sentence is, what are the gym hours? What are the gym hours? 15th sentence is there a swimming pool in the hotel? Is there a swimming pool in the hotel? 16th sentence is, what time does the pool close? What time does the pool close? 17th sentence is there a spa in the hotel? Is there a spa in the hotel? 18th sentence is, how much does it cost to use the spa facilities? How much does it cost to use the spa facilities? 19th sentence is there a hair salon in the hotel? Is there a hair salon in the hotel? 20th sentence is, can I book a massage at the spa? Can I book a massage at the spa? 21st sentence is, can you recommend any local restaurants? Can you recommend any local restaurants? 22nd sentence is, how do I get to the nearest tourist attraction? How do I get to the nearest tourist attraction? 23rd sentence is, can you help me book a tour of the city? Can you help me book a tour of the city? 24th sentence is there a shuttle service to the airport? Is there a shuttle service to the airport? 25th sentence is, can I leave my luggage at the hotel after checkout? Can I leave my luggage at the hotel after checkout? 26th sentence is, can I request a wake-up call? Can I request a wake-up call? 27th sentence is, how do I connect to the hotel Wi-Fi? How do I connect to the hotel Wi-Fi? 28th sentence is there a safe in the room? Is there a safe in the room? 29th sentence is, can I have a late checkout? Can I have a late checkout? 30th sentence is, can I store my valuables at the front desk? Can I store my valuables at the front desk? 31st sentence is, can I have an extra pillow and blanket please? Can I have an extra pillow and blanket please? 32nd sentence is there a laundry service in the hotel? Is there a laundry service in the hotel? 33rd sentence is, how much does it cost to use the laundry facilities? How much does it cost to use the laundry facilities? 34th sentence is there a concierge service? Is there a concierge service? 35th sentence is, can you recommend any local activities? Can you recommend any local activities? 36th sentence is, how do I get to the nearest shopping center? How do I get to the nearest shopping center? 37th sentence is, can I rent a car from the hotel? Can I rent a car from the hotel? 38th sentence is there a business center in the hotel? Is there a business center in the hotel? 39th sentence is, can I print documents at the business center? Can I print documents at the business center? 40th sentence is, can I use the hotel's fax machine? Can I use the hotel's fax machine? 41st sentence is, can I book a meeting room? Can I book a meeting room? 42nd sentence is there a parking garage at the hotel? Is there a parking garage at the hotel? 43rd sentence is, how much does it cost to park at the hotel? How much does it cost to park at the hotel? 44th sentence is, can I request a non-smoking room? Can I request a non-smoking room? 45th sentence is, can I have a room with a view? Can I have a room with a view? 46th sentence is, can I request a room on a lower floor? Can I request a room on a lower floor? 47th sentence is there an elevator in the hotel? Is there an elevator in the hotel? 48th sentence is, can I pay for the room with a credit card? Can I pay for the room with a credit card? 49th sentence is, can I pay for the room in cash? Can I pay for the room in cash? 50th sentence is, can I get a receipt for my stay? Can I get a receipt for my stay? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.